Hey guys, Tim Knox here with the Hammer and Sales team of Keller Williams here in Huntsville, and this is 8934 Cannstatt Drive, a beautiful home completely remodeled in South Huntsville. Let's go inside and take a look. One of my favorite parts of this house is the totally remodeled kitchen. You can see that we have custom cabinetry with the hidden hinges, granite countertops, the tile backsplash, even the floor is the new wood look tile that is so popular and so durable. I want you to imagine yourself in this kitchen, perhaps making a meal with your family or just socializing with friends. This truly is the kind of kitchen that you are going to love and your family can love for ages to come. Another thing I love about this house is this butler pantry laundry room, which is right off the kitchen door. You can see that there's a large countertop here for folding. Your appliances will go under here. Lots of cabinetry. Over here is a built-in bench with hooks. Just a wonderful space right off the kitchen where you can do your laundry, but you can also use it as a pantry or anything you want to do. And right off of this is a very large bonus room. They say the great room is the heart of the home, and this home is no different. This is a large space with an A-frame cathedral ceiling. You can see the rock fireplace, just a beautiful fireplace. It's really not only a fireplace, but a work of art because of the stonework. This is the large room, big enough for several couches for your entertainment center. Again, this is right off the kitchen, truly a space that your family is going to enjoy for many years to come. So one of the things I really love about this house that makes it unique is this mantle is held up by these steel braces. There was no way to attach a mantle to the rock fireplace. So Travis, who is the Hammer and Sales fix-it guy, the guy that makes everything work, came up with this. And it truly is a unique design feature that is unique to this home and something that will be a conversation piece and a great place to put family photos and mementos and that sort of thing. Truly brilliant, Travis. Way to go. One of the things that makes this house so special is the master bathroom. Now you can see it behind me. You can see it in the other video. This bathroom it's amazing. Beautifully decorated, beautifully done. And I'm going to show you this shower. Do you see that, guys and gals? That is a humongous walk-in shower. That's what we used to call a party shower back in the day. Now it is just a fantastic shower. It has the glass doors. It has the big shower head. And take a look at this. It has a skylight in the shower. So you can take a shower and look out at the day if you like. Whatever you want to do. Just an amazing feature. But it does bring a lot of light into this bathroom through the shower, through these glass doors. If you're like me and my wife and most other folks, you spend a lot of time in the master bathroom, so it's important that it is comfortable and functional. Well, that's the tour. What do you think? Great house, huh? Just a few details. This house is located on Cannstatt Drive, just off Weatherly. Now that's in South Huntsville. The Parkway is right there. It's convenient to everything. The YMCA, shopping, schools. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house with a bonus room, a laundry room, a very large lot. Too many amenities for me to detail here. I'm going to list them below in the comments. Take a look. But this would be the perfect house for a young family looking to put down roots. It would also be a great house if you're like me and you're getting to the point where you're thinking about selling the 2-story and maybe looking at something in a ranch style. This would be the perfect house for you. Lots of room here for kids, grandkids, pets, large fenced-in lot. Just a beautiful, wonderful house in a Southeast Huntsville neighborhood. If you'd like to take a look at this house yourself, we would love to show it to you. You can contact me or Chelsea McKinney at Hammer and Sales team at Keller Williams Huntsville, and we would be more than happy to help you find your next dream home.